Looking for a new laptop? You might want to consider the Samsung 14 inches Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop. In the next few minutes, we'll dive into an in-depth review of this sleek device, balancing out the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. From its impressive processing power to its vibrant display, we'll leave no stone unturned, but it's not all roses. We'll also discuss the areas where it might fall short. Stay tuned to find out if this laptop could be your next best investment. Starting with the positives, the Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop carries a lot of advantages that could make it worth your money. One of the most striking features of this laptop is its powerful performance. It's equipped with the latest Intel Core processor, offering fast and efficient computing power. Whether you're working with heavy design software, streaming high-definition videos, or playing graphics-intensive games, the Galaxy Book4 Pro never skips a beat. Now let's talk about the design. Sleek, slim, and stylish, this laptop is more than just a computing device, it's a fashion statement. The aluminum body gives it a premium look, while the lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, perfect for those always on the go. The high-quality display is another standout feature. The AMOLED screen provides vibrant colors and crisp details, making it a joy for watching movies, editing photos, or even just browsing the web. But what really sets the Galaxy Book4 Pro apart is its long battery life. It can last up to 20 hours on a single charge, meaning you won't be tethered to a power outlet all day. Lastly, it's packed with user-friendly features like the convenient fingerprint sensor, backlit keyboard, and the versatile S Pen, making your computing experience smoother and more intuitive. These are just a few of the reasons why the Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop stands out in the market. However, no product is perfect. The Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop also has its share of drawbacks. One of the most notable ones is the high price point. As with most high-end laptops, the Galaxy Book4 Pro doesn't come cheap. Its hefty price tag might be a stumbling block for those on a tight budget. Another drawback is the lack of certain ports. For instance, the absence of an HDMI port might be a slight inconvenience for those who frequently connect their laptops to bigger screens. Similarly, the missing SD card slot may deter digital creatives, who often need to transfer large files from their cameras. Additionally, while the laptop's sleek design is definitely a plus, it comes with a downside. The slim form factor means there's less room for cooling, which could potentially lead to overheating issues during heavy use. This might be a concern for gamers or professionals who run resource-intensive applications. Lastly, it's worth mentioning the laptop's battery life. While it's decent, it's not exceptional. For those who are often on the go and away from power outlets, this could be a potential issue. Despite these cons, it's important to weigh them against the laptop's numerous pros. After all, every product has its strengths and weaknesses, and the Samsung 14-inch Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop is no exception. So is the Samsung 14 inches Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop worth your hard-earned money? We've delved into the ins and outs of this laptop, and the answer seems to lean towards a resounding yes. Let's quickly revisit the salient features. This laptop shines in its performance with a powerful processor that ensures smooth multitasking and quick response times. Its slim design and lightweight build make it a highly portable companion, perfect for both work and play. The high-resolution display, coupled with an immersive audio experience, make it a delight for multimedia consumption. On the flip side, as we've discussed, there are a few things to consider. The battery life, although decent, might not be sufficient for those marathon work sessions. And while the laptop does have a robust build, it might not withstand rough handling. However, it's essential to remember that no laptop is perfect. Every product has its strengths and weaknesses. The Samsung 14 inches Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop has its fair share of both. But the positives significantly outweigh the negatives. And let's not forget, it's all about what you need from your laptop. Are you looking for performance, portability, and a crisp display? Then this might just be the laptop for you. In the end, the decision is yours, but if you're looking for a high-performing, sleek, and user-friendly laptop, the Samsung 14 inches Galaxy Book4 Pro laptop could be a great choice.